Beanie Babies. It's been a minute since I did a shoe review, but I'm back for y'all, you feel me? Basically, when I do my shoe reviews, honestly, I go to the mall, pick out stuff I like. I don't get what's new. I don't get what, everybody talking about. I get what I like, honestly, you feel me? So, let's go and get straight into it, man. Shout out to Foot Locker, you know what I'm saying? These right here are the Air One Mid Jordan college grades, man. Air Jordan 1, yeah, mid, the college grades. These gens retail at $120. Man. I think these are older shoe though, for real, but they nice though. You know what I'm saying? I like them, you feel me? You really can't find the ones like you used to in the store. You really gotta go online and get them. You know what I mean? But like I said, these are nice. I seen them. I feel like, just some random shopping. What I like about them is the white, and the gray. And I don't really know what color that really is. Let me see the box. I should say light bone white, Grist College, blank. I don't know. Anyways, these joints hard, you feel me? Like I said, y'all know me, I always tell y'all like how I do stuff. Like I like to wear white tees and black tees just because I make a lot of videos and I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on clothes because that just ain't my thing. I'd rather spend money on shoes before I spend money on clothes. So with these, I'm not gonna wear them all the time. Of course they white, I wanna keep them fresh. So fresh Calvin Klein white tee, you know what I'm saying? Some shorts, like the gray shorts I got on now. I'm gonna throw on the fit real quick, give y'all a little sneak peek or whatever. But yeah, or some white jeans with these joints, even gray jeans and a white shirt, and you chilling. You know what I mean? That's all you need. Stop spending a lot of money on clothes and shoes, man. Be a baller on the budget like me, you feel me? Ball on the budget. Don't get what's hot. Don't get what everybody talk about. Get what you like and always look nice. Cause every time y'all see me, matter of fact, follow me on Instagram if y'all not already. At BitBangBeanie. Everything is BitBangBeanie. Y'all see some of the fits that I post. Like, I'm always fresh, but if you really pay attention to my fit, it'd be a plain fit, but I just make it look good, you feel me? Plain old fit, just make it look good. Straight up. I'm about to try on a few fits for y'all real quick with the shoes, and y'all drop in the comments what y'all think, man. Or you hit that like button while y'all at it. If y'all ain't subscribed to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Let's go. I see the gray shorts. I love these little gray shorts. I can wear these just to pretty much anything, you feel me? But let's see what we got. I'm gonna lace them up and all that later. Y'all know how I lace my joints, you know what I mean? I'm gonna lace them up. I'm just gonna try them on for now, though. Let's see how I'm looking. Get in there. Feel me? These ain't smooth. Alright, I can't wait to kill the game with these. Yeah. Hold on. Get up. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah. These joints fire. I like these joints, you feel me? These joints fire. But like I said, yeah, they retail at $120. Got them from Foot Locker. Nice shoe. Something just add to the shoe collection, you feel me? I ain't been really going crazy with the shoes like talking about. Nah, man. It's been chilling lately, but yeah. Like I said, I'm going to start by doing more shoe reviews for y'all. If I pick up, I got another shoe review coming. I got the Playoff 12s. You know what I'm saying? One of my coworkers, I'm going to shout them out in the next video. So, yeah, make sure y'all be on the lookout for that. But, yeah, other than that, man, chill fits all summer, man. I'm going to buy a few jerseys, a few pair of shorts, but nothing crazy like $20 jerseys, $30 jerseys, $20, $30 shorts. I'm not about to spend more than that on no clothes, man. It just ain't gonna happen, you feel me? We saving our money and we gonna look good at the same time, man. That's how we doing it. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like I say, y'all follow me on Instagram. Keep y'all updated with the fits and stuff. And yeah, like the video, subscribe, and join the Beanie Baby family, you feel me? Like, we're a family. I'm posting more like my daily life up here, I usually try to stick to the public interviews and stuff like that, but I'm giving y'all like an everyday everyday content in my life. See, I can get more what I do every day, and not just, you know, a public interview here and a public interview there. Now I want y'all to see like my day-to-day life pretty much. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next video.